Friends, what I have in my hands is the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 12 plus 512GB in Thai grey. This time, there are still two small chirps. Open it from the top and bottom. It was opened very quickly. There is a C2C data cable inside. Regardless, put it aside. Take a first look at the appearance and you can see that this time the Thai Times is grey. From all angles, it looks a bit golden, right? I have a Galaxy Z Fold 6 in dark silver. Let's compare them. The frame is still made of titanium. The camera adopts a floating design this time. It's a bit like a button. It's like this. Samsung phones, especially when you first open them, have a very high sense of precision. Then we failed to tear off the screen film. The corners of the S24 Ultra are like this. Too high, then we tear off its screen film, failed. The corners of the S24 Ultra are vertical, while the S25 has a slight curvature. This makes it very suitable for the hand and will not hurt the hand, and it will be more comfortable to hold. The bottom is still equipped with the S Pen, which is also a point that many friends choose when choosing a Samsung phone. Then we take out this pen and see what color it is. Times Grey comes with a grey S Pen. Then this time, the S Pen has cancelled the Bluetooth function, which is a bit unfortunate. So let's take a look at the screen of this phone. It is unlocked through ultrasonic fingerprint recognition. This time, you can feel that the Samsung One UI7 icon has become more beautiful. The control center has also been redesigned and looks good. You can adjust the volume directly. The brightness is very smooth, and the most distinctive thing about the screen is that its corners, frames and chin are very narrow. There is no need to say more about the screen quality of Samsung mobile phones. You see, this is very smooth and comfortable. If we turn on a timer, it will be displayed in the upper left corner. Isn't this the live window? After clicking on it, you can drag it away. It's very fun. It's fun to slide. Samsung's AI is still the highlight of the phone, and the flagship version has not been cut off, which is very exciting. We will introduce you to the AI experience later. That's all for today. Thanks for watching with you, Galaxy Go.